Okay, this is my fourth in series of videos of putting together the RoboMaster S1 by DJI. So, where I left off, got a little confused there. I'm on step 23. I just finished step 22, which is plug in the power. This is building the main body of the robot now. So these are like target panels or noise. I'm not sure exactly. They do some noise or something. So anyway. Okay. Don't think orientation is important for these. So that's a side panel. Another side panel. Left and right. So I'm on step 23. And it's not saying what screws to use. Oh, those same screws with the blue on them, which is, I think is thread lock. My cat trying to get attention. Is that going there? Ah. Sorry, I thought I had this figured out. Using M3As. It's popped in all the way in. Should be catching it. Doesn't seem like it's catching. Nope. Oh, you know why? Because I have it oriented the wrong way. So, see if I can show you what I did wrong. See if I can get these things out of here. Now that I've got them in there. They need to be flipped. That's what I did wrong. Well, hopefully you won't make the same mistake as you saw me just make it. Yeah, there we go. The little, that would have been a stupid mistake. Because the robot, the target panels wouldn't have worked. This is kind of like a mech warfare. These are target panels to register hits on the side of the robot. It shoots BBs and a laser, so I don't know if this does both. I don't know if this is a touch sensor and a laser detector. There it goes. Okay, I did 2 steps there. That was, okay, so these are the target panels, left and right. This is the target panel. Oh, I'm getting ahead of myself. Okay. Are they saying I have different lengths going on here? Yes. So this is going to be important because you have different lengths of cables. Got a really long cable. These look like the in-between size. That's the long in-between. So I'm pretty sure I got the right one. Q3. I'll find out here pretty soon. Sorry for the dead. So you have 4 different types of cable. Q1. USB-C to USB-C. Q2, which is a super long one. You got one of those. And then you've got, see if I got this right then. So you got 2 of these cables. Q3. And 4 of these cables. Yep. That's Q4. Sorry for that slight delay. So you need to use the Q3 See, I think they're all the same. Yeah. So and you got the plug in right there. That looks correct. Okay, I'm on step 25. Oh, there's the notch for the cable. I'm just doing something wrong. Yeah, it snaps in there. Okay, there it goes. That's the side panel, targeting panel. And the cable goes in there. Then I screw in the using the same, those blue painted screws. Those things just takes a while for them to get seated in there. Man, this is taking me forever. Sorry about the dead air space. I can fill it now. There we go. Side panel 1. Left side. Oh, okay. So I think I just made a mistake. Oh, I just made a mistake. These are the cables I need to have used. Let's see if I can pop it out, cover up for the fact I just screwed up. Cable's too short. Okay, cool. Okay. That's what you get for being in too much of a hurry. Okay. So now cable connection here, and it looks like it's saying use that. Thread it here, flip it over, and pop it in there. Like so. Hopefully the other side panel will go a little faster because I know what I'm doing now, supposedly. Huh. Just feel like I'm doing something wrong. Yeah, Q3. Just feels like it's different. Similar setup. Locks in. Threads down through here. I'll get that in a second. Oh. Not all the way in. Okay. Similar setup. My cat loves talking. I keep telling him, I don't know what you're saying. And he just keeps talking anyway. Hopefully you're seeing all the mistakes I'm doing and you don't make the same mistakes. My cat just told me that I was stupid and I didn't know what I was doing. That's meow is. So this is step 30. Okay, plug it in there. Cable guide. Same thing. Pop it in there. Comes out. You see what I'm doing, flip it over. I feel like I got way too much cable. Oh, I'll find out. These cables are easy to take out, so I'll find out what's going on here. So. Okay, like that. So, cable management. So those side targeting panels. Wow. Let me take a break and come back with the next video. Thanks for watching.